Hey guys, it's Tom from Dog Pound Casey here. Today we're going to talk about foam rolling. It's one of my all-time favorites, but there's so many misconceptions and so many people do it improperly. Let's break it down. So let's get a better understanding of what we're trying to accomplish when we're foam rolling. When you're foam rolling, you're trying to roll that myofascial tissue. Myofascial tissue is a network of tissue in your muscle, your bones, and your joints, and it's a connective tissue. That tissue is also very thick and dense. So a great way to explain it is myofascial release is essentially getting on those dense, knotted up portions and really rolling those out, just like rolling pizza dough. With that being said, if we're on those thick and dense portions and we're sitting there for prolonged periods of time, which is how you should execute your foam rolling, here's why I know people aren't doing it properly. They say it feels good, or they like it. It should be one of the most painful things. You don't want to look forward to it. If you're looking forward to it, there's something wrong with you. A lot of times with my clients, bruising occurs the next couple days after. So to have the benefits of foam rolling, you're gonna have to sit on the most painful spot that I know a lot of people just go right past, they're like, ow, that hurt. That's the spot you wanna be on, and you wanna sit in that area in a 1 to 2 inch slow motion for 2 to 3 minutes sometimes. Lastly, there's really no area of your body that you can't foam roll technically, but for me, in my experience, and just kind of based off the literature, the 3 areas that are gonna be the most effective areas are gonna be your iliotibials, your calves, and your sciatic nerves are an awesome one to hit, and it should be painful. So when foam rolling, it's just like a regular massage. The really feel-good ones, they're not as beneficial as those sports massages where they dig deep into the muscle. Remember that and try it out.
I need to know now.